Discover the future of adventure with the latest innovation in electric biking, the Coswheel GT20. Engineered for excellence, the GT20 combines cutting-edge technology with rugged durability. Built with a robust aluminum alloy frame, this e-bike is ready to tackle any terrain. Experience unparalleled performance with a powerful 1500W rear hub motor that delivers speeds of up to 50 km/h and a range of over 60 km on a single charge. Featuring a high-capacity lithium battery positioned for optimal weight distribution and advanced hydraulic disc brakes, the GT20 ensures a smooth, safe ride every time. Personalize your ride with our custom color options and make it truly yours. Whether you're conquering trails or cruising through the city, the Coswheel GT20 is your ultimate companion for exploration. With 7-speed gears, a 20-inch wheel, and a maximum load capacity of 150 kg, it's designed for comfort and reliability. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty. Elevate your ride with the Coswheel GT20. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more and get yours.